Hello, friends, and my dear students. Welcome to session 6 on application problems. Now, we'll do one very important problem where you need to understand some of the basic concepts. See here, this is this orange problem and all that. It's quite known. Every university gives these types of problems and all that. There are two oranges on a tree. Okay, true oranges on a tree are respectively 1.8 meter and 3 meter above the ground. They are above the ground. Okay. This can be seen in the front view. Orange 1, 1.8 meter above. 3 meter, another orange 2, 3 meter above. That can be seen in the front view. And above the ground. And 2.2 meters and 3.1 meter from zero point 0.3 meter thick wall. You have to show one 0.3 meter thick wall. Okay, and they are 2.2 meter and 3.1 meter from 0.3 meter thick wall, but on the opposite sides of the wall. Okay, on one side you have one orange, on the other side of the wall you have another orange. One is 2.2 distance, 2.2 meters, another is 3.1 meter. Since this distance is parallel to VP, you can see both in the front view and top view. I'll show you that. The distance between these oranges measured along the ground and parallel to the wall is 3.7 meters. Determine the real distance between the oranges. This is a standard examination problem. So many times the students are asked, unless you really know, you can't do such problems. I have taken scale of 1 meter equal to 20 mm. If it is 1 meter, 20 mm means if it is 1.8 meter, you take 36 mm. If it is 3 meters, you take 60 mm. In that way you do. Okay. Now you see here. Here you draw. I have shown the wall. Just for this, you don't have to write in the examination. I tell you what to do in the examination. This is only to make you know. This is the VP. This is the HP. Can you follow? This is the HP. And this is the wall. This is the wall, 0.3 meter thick. You see here, don't worry about the height of the wall and width of the wall and all that. Okay. But 0.3 has to be shown because they are given 0.3 meter thickness. 0.3 meters thickness for 20 mm means it is 6 mm is the thickness. This thickness of the wall can be seen not only in the top view but also in the front view. Okay. Now this height can be anything. Even this distance can be anything as long as you are able to accommodate two oranges. See here, orange 1 is here. Orange 1 is here. Orange 1 is how much above HP? It is above HP or ground. It is 1.8 meters. That means MOI1, orange 1 is 1.8 meters for 1 meter 20 mm means it is 36 mm. You draw. Then orange 2, okay, it is on the other side of the wall. That is 3 meters. 3 meters above the ground. That means 60 mm. 60 mm above the ground. Okay, these things, this 3 meter, 1.8 and all that you can see in the front view. Now you see here, first orange, distance from the wall is 2.2 meters. 2.2 meters means for 1 meter 20 mm, it is almost 44 mm. The second orange distance from the wall is 3.1 meter, that is almost 62 mm. Okay, this is 62 mm. And they have also said the distance between the oranges between O1 and O2 measure parallel to the wall. Measure, this is the wall, no? Measure parallel to the wall is 3.7 meters. 3.7 meters means it is 74 mm. 3.7 into 20, that is 74 mm. Okay, now that is the thing. You carefully manage that. This is the just to know the basics about the wall and location of oranges and all that I have given you. See here, orange 1 here, orange 2 on the other side. Orange 1 height above HP, orange 1 height above the ground is 1.2, orange 2 height above the ground is 3 meters. Orange 1 from the wall is 2.2 meters, orange 2 from the wall is 3.1 meters. The distance between the two oranges measured parallel to the wall is 3.7 meters. and the thickness of the valve is 0.3 meters. Okay, 0.3 meters means 6 mm. Now you have to write the top view, front view of this, and finally you have to find the true distance between the two oranges, O1 and O2. Since it is the line connecting O1 and O2 will be parallel inclined to both HVBP, you have to rotate and get the true length. Anyway, next we will see here. See here, first you draw the XY line, draw the wall. Okay, wall. This height can be anything, but this width should be compulsorily 6 mm, and you have a hatch command in ANSYS solid edge. Okay, you using hatch command, you hatch this. This is compulsorily 6 mm. You take any height. Okay. Now you see it. Orange one from the wall. From the wall, it is 44 millimeter. 44 millimeter means, if you know, it is 2.2 meters. Okay, 2.2 meters from the wall. You take 2.2 meters. You locate O1. That is 2.2 meters means O1. Orange one. You locate O1. And immediately take the projectors up. And as you know, it is 1.8 meters above the ground. This can be seen in the above ground. No, it is parallel to VP. It can be seen in its true length in the front view. In that way, 36 mm, you take this. This is 1.8 meters. O1 dash you take. Did you follow? O1 and O1 dash you complete. In the same way, you see this orange 2. Orange 2, if you see here, orange 2, if you see here, it is orange 2, if you see here, it is 3.1 meters from the wall. Correct? No? 3.1 meters from the wall. That means it is 62 meters from this wall. Correct? No? 62 mm from the wall. And immediately, you see here, once you get O2, 62, please observe. Please observe, the second orange O2 is 3.1 meters from the wall. Okay, 3.1 meters. That is 62. 62 from the wall, you take it. Okay, that is O2. And also, while drawing this, you see that this distance between O1 and O2, measured parallel to the wall. Okay, measured parallel to the wall is 74 mm, because they have given 3.7 meters. That is, the distance between O1 and O2 measured parallel to the wall is 3.7 meters, means it is 74 mm. That is, after drawing O1 and O1 dash, 36 and 44, you have anyway drawn the front view of the wall, you have drawn the top view of the wall. This length and all that don't bother, but only thing is, this thickness has to be taken into consideration. This is also 6 mm, this is also 6 mm. This is, orange one is 1.8 meters above, 2.2 meters from the wall. That is what I given. 1.8 meters, that is 36, and 2.2 meters from the wall. Okay, 2.2 meters is 44. Okay, in the same way, orange 2, if you observe, it is 3.1 meters from the wall and 3 meters above the ground. Okay. 3.1 meters means it is 62 mm from the wall. Okay. And 3 meters above the ground. 3 meters above the ground means it is 60 mm above the ground. But while doing, you see that the distance between the oranges O1 and O2 measured parallel to the XY line, measured parallel to the wall is 74 mm. That means after drawing O1 and O1 dash, okay, you have anyway written the wall and all that, draw O1, O1 dash, then leave 74 only, then only you draw O2 at 62, then take the projectors up and take O2 dash at 60 mm. That means at 3 meters above, you have the second orange O2. Okay. These things you should know. See here, first orange, 1.8 meters above. Okay, second orange, 3 meters above. First orange, 2.2 meters from the wall. Second orange, 3.1 meters from the wall. And the distance between the two oranges, O1 and O2, measured parallel to the wall is 3.7 meters. Okay, these things I have shown here. That is all converted into millimeter. This is 1.8, 2.2. In that way, I have converted. This you are done. That means after drawing the wall in the front view and top view, take O1 44 and immediately take the projectors up, get 36. That is front view of the orange. This is the top view of the orange. Okay, this is the front view of the orange, top view of the orange. In that way, you are able to locate the orange from the wall. How much it is above, how much in front of the wall and all that. It is 44 mm in front of the wall and it is 36 mm above. That is in terms of meters you have to say, because 36 means it is 1.8. This is 2.2 meters and all that. Okay. Now, once you do this, then you take 74 mm from the wall. This is anyway 0.6 meters wall. From here, take 74 mm. Then draw this 62. That is, as you see here, 3.1, that is 62 mm. You draw O2. And from O2, once you get, you take it to the front view, and O2 dash you get at a distance of 60 mm, 3 meters. Now what they have said is, once you have done all this, what is the distance between the two oranges? That is between O1 and O2, O1. That's why for this, once you are located in the space in the front view and top view, the best way is join the front view and join the top view. O1 dash, O2 dash, O1 and O2 you join. Once you join this, the front view is this, top view is this. Since front view is inclined to HP, top view is inclined to VP, it is neither parallel to HP nor parallel to VP. In that way, unless you rotate, you won't get the true length. That is why what I'll do is, I'll rotate this. See here, I'll rotate the top view parallel to XY line. That means with O1 is the fixed point, O2 is the moving point. I'll move it to O2 In this position, it is parallel to VP. Whatever you see in the front view should be in the true length. Now I have moved O2, no? O2 locus, you make it ready. Then hit against the locus. Then measure O1 dash, O2 dash. Okay, measure O1 dash, O2 dash. This will be the true length between the oranges. Okay, now you see here, you measure that true distance between oranges is 136 millimeter. That is, it is 20 meter is 1 meter, no? 20 millimeter is 1 meter. It is 136, 140 means actually 7. 136 means almost 6.8 meters. In that way, you have done this problem with the distance between the two oranges measured parallel to the XY line. That is the distance between oranges to be 136 mm, or you write it as compulsorily 6.8 meters. Okay, 6.8 meters. And also they have asked you what exactly is the angle, the true length angle with HP. That if you measure, it will be 10 degrees. Okay, in that way, you are doing one complicated problem given with reference to oranges. That means XY, what you have to do is, once you draw XY line, draw VP HP, draw wall first, 6 mm, height of the wall can be anything, even this width of the wall here also can be anything, but take care it is 6 mm only, hatch it also. First orange you locate, 44 mm, 36 mm, O1 dash, O1 you do, then you take 74 mm, then take O2, 62, O2 dash, 60. Okay, in that way, once you do that, join O1 dash, O2 dash, join O1 and O2, rotate this and get the true length as O1 dash, O2 dash. In that way, you measure this, the true distance between the oranges will be 136 mm, which will be almost equal to 6.8 meters, and measure the slope angle also. In that way, we are able to complete session 6 on application of straight lines. We'll continue in session 7. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.